Wow, what is all of this? Hey guys, thanks for tuning in and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're wondering where I'm headed right now, keep watching to find out. So I decided to take a trip over to a street art exhibit that has quickly become a staple of Detroit's street art scene. I have to say that this is probably one of the most colorful and interesting blocks that you are going to find in the city of Detroit. The Heidelberg Project kind of gives you this feeling of having stumbled into some kind of alternate universe, one where time is of the essence, as evidenced by the numerous painted clocks posted around the site. Whimsical yet socially conscious messages are scattered around the site and encourage viewers to think on a deeper level as they walk around and take it all in. I saw a lot of colorful spray painted artwork that is somewhat reminiscent of a famous Basquiat painting. In 1986, artist Tyree Guyton was assisted by his wife Karen and his grandfather Sam Mackey, also affectionately known as Grandpa Sam, and they created what is now known as the Heidelberg Project, an outdoor art project in the McDougall Hunt neighborhood on Detroit's east side. Mr. Guyton notes that the Heidelberg Project is partly a political protest. He actually served in the army, and when he came back, he said that he was astonished to see that the surrounding neighborhood looked as if a bomb went off. I've actually been here a few times over the years, and unfortunately, a lot of the project has either been destroyed by the city or burned down by arsonists. This outdoor street art is something that is uniquely Detroit, and you're probably not going to see anything similar in other cities. So if you are visiting the Detroit area, I definitely recommend that you stop by and check it out. sure to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. See you next time.